So in today's segment of Sapphire's vlog, we are actually doing our own hair for our own birthday, which was December 31st. So I wanted to do my own hair. The color I picked out was phenomenal. It was giving the baddie from Roger Rabbit, okay? It was giving. The look was definitely a look. But yes, we have the cap on right now. We're going to use the Got2b glue and the Got2b spray to melt down that wig cap as well as the wig and make sure that, it's just staying on all night. We don't want it to be lifting up or flying away. So it definitely did what it needed to be do. So we're just putting on the glue right now, making sure that it's all in the right areas. And then I am now drying it out, making sure that it melts, making sure when I cut it, it won't be lifting up. And now I'm putting on the makeup. I'm also going to be mixing it with a darker shade so it looks a little bit more natural, okay? But yes, the bald was also giving. I could definitely rock that look, but we're not going to get any ideas right now, okay? But it was definitely giving. I like that. Got a nice head. But look at that red. Yes. So that's what we're doing for the day. So I'm going to put a little bit more glue on now. Making sure, like I said, everything's good. I already pre-cut the wig so that way when I put it on, it's already, bam. Yeah. And now look. Now I got the wig. So I already put the glue. So now I'm just melting it down and making sure that when it dries, it's sticking, and then I have the gel on top, making sure I apply heat on there so it's nice and smooth and silky. There's no flyaways going on. It was definitely giving a look. It was my birthday, so I had to come through. Look at that, yes, bitch.
Fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. I got a vibe that he like. I could show you how bad I could get, baby, just for the night. I'm on my ass, he like how I say me right. He ain't cocky, thinking that I want him. Had to tell him, nigga, I might. Had to tell him, like, nigga, I might. Shit'll get hectic. He like how I come up for aggressive. Jump for a jump, put it on my necklace. Eating a pussy for breakfast, baby, you reckless. Fuck it, I like it. I can tell him he might get excited. If your bitch a baddie, better wife it. Don't be mad if other niggas like it. Cause you pipe it like, what my bitches.